Hi, this is James Goodman with the Goodman Taylor team. Today we're going to talk about some things that you can do to help your home sell when it needs some work done to it. One of the first things we could do is if you don't want to do some of the repairs and you just want a quick sale, we have a bunch of cash investors and a bunch of options like that we could work with. So, if somebody's not want to do the repairs and they just want out of the home, they just want a quick, easy, convenient sale, we could do that. So we've got a bunch of different programs we work with in that regard. Some of the other things we can do, when we're taking on a home and maybe it needs some repair, or the seller thinks that maybe their home needs some repair, I'm happy to come through. We walk through the home with them and we give them some suggestions. So a lot of things that we recommend, where you get a lot of bang for your buck, or you get the most value, or the best return on your investment, would be swapping out carpet if carpet's dirty, painting the home, getting it deep cleaned, things like that. So typically we just want the home to look light, bright, clean. Truly just taking off screens from the windows and washing the windows can have a huge impact on the house. We don't want it to look dark and dreary when it comes time to show the home. Even before showings, making sure that the home is show ready, making sure it's picked up, there's not a lot of clutter, ensuring that lights are turned on, doors are open, things like that. Blinds and shades are open during showings. I know it's really hot in Arizona, so we like to keep our homes nice and dark and cool. But when we have showings, we want to make sure it's light and bright. Obviously, I always tell people we want to make sure that the home's at a comfortable temperature when people are showing it. If it's Arizona and it's the summer, we want to maybe drop down the temperature in the house a few degrees just for the showings. That way people feel comfortable in the house and not in a hurry to get out. We see typically the longer somebody spends in the home, enjoying the home and picturing themselves living in that house, there's better odds that they're going to make a nice offer on it. We also have some great vendors that we work with that give us discounts, and they give discounts to our clients. So if you have any work that we do recommend or that you would like to get done, please let us know. We'll be happy to connect you with one of the preferred vendors and make sure we can save you a few dollars. Other than that, if you have any questions about what we can do to help you get the most amount of money for your home, if you think there needs some repairs done, or you just want us to come by and walk through it and give you some advice, we'd be happy to do that.